Welcome. In front of me I have OnePlus Watch 3, the 43mm edition, and I'm gonna show you how to pause the workout on this watch. So first let's start some workout. And let's say you have a workout going and you want to pause it. You can do it by pressing the lower button and we'll pause the workout. Then you can press it again to resume it. But you can also swipe right on the data page, then tap on pause. It will pause the workout and you can unpause it by doing the same action. If you pause the workout, you can always also minimize it, basically, and you can do some other stuff on the watch, and you can come back to it by tapping on this icon right here or by pressing the lower button like this. And basically that's how you pause the workout on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.